In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Gemini widget to your lock screen on Samsung S25 Ultra. By the end, you'll have quick access to Gemini right from your device without digging through apps, making it easier to get answers, drafts, and ideas on the fly. First, wake your phone and go to your home screen. Press and hold on an empty area of the home screen until your phone zooms out into edit mode. You'll know you're in the right place when the interface dims slightly and options appear at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap Widgets. This opens a panel showing all the mini tools you can place on your screens. Widgets are like at-a-glance helpers for your favorite apps, and adding one for Gemini lets you start a conversation fast. Now scroll through the list and find Gemini. Take your time and move down the list steadily. If you have many apps, it may be a bit further down. When you see Gemini, tap it to open its available widget options. Depending on your setup, you might see different sizes. A larger widget gives you more content at a glance, while a smaller one keeps your screen clean. Choose what fits your style, then tap Add. Your phone will place the Gemini widget on your screen. If you're prompted to confirm or choose a spot, just follow the on-screen cues. Once it appears, that's it. The widget is ready to use. On supported devices and settings, this widget can also be surfaced quickly from the lock screen for immediate access. If your lock screen already shows widgets, you'll enjoy that instant reach. If not, you'll still have the Gemini widget right on your home screen for one-tap use. With the widget in place, you can ask Gemini anything. Tap the widget, speak, or type your question, and get help with everyday tasks like checking the weather, brainstorming messages, summarizing notes, or planning a quick to-do list. It's designed to save you time and keep your most common actions just a tap away. Quick recap. Long press your home screen to enter edit mode. Tap Widgets, scroll down to find Gemini, tap it, and then tap Add. That's all you need to bring Google Gemini closer to your lock screen experience on the Samsung S25 Ultra. If you don't see Gemini in the widget list, make sure the Gemini app is installed and up to date. And if the widget looks different from what you expect, that's okay. Layouts can vary slightly depending on your software version, but the steps remain the same. Enjoy the faster access and start asking Gemini anything the moment you need it.